Alright, welcome to Daddy Jack's Go With The Blues here. Daddy Jack's Restaurant, 181 Bank Street in London, Connecticut. Bob, you want to shut that fan off or you think we're good?
No, it's okay, go.
Alright, you sure? Okay, Bob wanted to do chicken Florentine. He says we haven't done it yet. So, I think we did, but I'm going to take his word for it. See, trim these up a little bit. Okay, it's a big chicken breast. Anyway, I want a big piece, one big piece. Watch your fingers, go slow, open it up, okay? Open it up. Okay, so then, you know, the outer part, you do it this way here, you're gonna smash the meat. So, this goes, you can do it between, plastic wrap if you want. Gentle taps. You don't want to hit it too hard where it smash the meat. So I do my chicken parmesans now. Daddy Jack used to do it with 3 pieces. I did one video, but we'll do another one with the Daddy Jack's chicken parm. Almost fills up a whole plate. Okay, so then, it's a little funky, but we'll be alright. Okay, I'm gonna hit it with a little blackened seasoning for the color. A little olive oil, water. Shake out the excess. Okay. In the skillet. Okay, so we're gonna start to brown up. We'll make our spinach. A little garlic. It's an easy recipe here, like minutes. A little bit of salt, pepper. Do that at home if you want. Add a little more color, okay? Just a little bit more butter, a little bit more olive oil. Want to wilt it. Put a provolone. A little bit of parm, grated parmesan, right under the broiler. All right, let's check it out, Bob. Seb, Josh, dinner time. Look at that, huh? Woo! All right, here we go. Look at this. And we're going to do just a quick, there's so much flavor in that skillet right there, so we don't want to lose it, right? Just a little bit of white wine, a little bit of butter, that's so pretty. You don't want to That's all the flavor. See that natural sauce in the skillet? You know, we want to go over the top of it. We just go around it. Right? So I left that skillet with Josh. He'd be running for a piece of Zeb's focaccia bread. Right there wouldn't go to waste, right, Josh? That's the flavor. Josh wants to do a concept. Serve all the dinners right in the skillet. Good idea, right? We might do it. Stove the skillet.
You're gonna need some focaccia bread.
All right, guys, check it out. Zeb, don't be shy.
I'm not shy. I'm not camera shy.
We already know. Get a little bit of that spinach.
That's all the good stuff right there.
Yeah. It'll be hot. Josh, batter up. It'll be hot.
That's good. Lots of flavor right there.
So I gotta get right in the middle of it. Get some of that sauce. Yep. That'd be a winner right here. What is that?
Yeah. I like it.
Bob, good idea, man. Thanks for the recommendation, man. With the, keep the spinach like half cooked, half wilted. It'll finish on top when you flip the chicken. It's hot. It's gonna wilt. Cheese, a little bit of cheese. It's real thin sliced cheese onto the broiler. Come on. Woo! Make your tongue slap your brains out. Anyway, this is Daddy Jack's Good with the Blues here. Getting a lot of inspiration. Those around you, give you all kinds of ideas. So, if somebody says they don't know what to cook for dinner, it's because just ask what people would want to eat for dinner, and they'll tell you. And but Bob, the rest is for you. Waiting patiently, and we wish everybody happy holidays from all of us at Daddy Jack's. This 2014, we've got a lot to be thankful for. Those that we've lost, 2014, we're gonna carry them with us on our journey, and those that are infirmed, and we just pray and pray for everybody's well-being, love for friends and family, and thank you for watching us. We're 2014, not many days left, Bob. I don't know how many more videos we're going to shoot this year, but this year we went over 1 million hits on YouTube, and sky's the limit. We don't know what's going to happen now with Zeb. Zeb's stealing some thunder over there on the pizza, the wood oven, and also he knows some stuff on his stove. Don't let him fool you. He made a dinner for Lucy last night that looked tremendous. But happy holidays, everybody. 2014 coming to an end. Looking forward to 2015. Love y'all. Peace.
Peace.